Hello world and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this step-by-step eye makeup tutorial if you have hooded eyelids. Just in case you don't know if you have hooded eyelids, it's simply like you have the extra thick skin here and whatever makeup you apply on your inner eyelid here, it's just not showing at all. And it's very challenging for many makeup artists to find a way to sort this out. So stay tuned and let's start with this makeup. I'm using the Primer Essence Clay Primer. And then the MAC Paint Pot Soft Ochre shade to prime my eyes. This time I'm using the Essence 16 Hours Foundation shade number 15. I've learned this technique from Wayne Goss to wrap your beauty blender with a tissue for anti-caking effect. I'm using the Essence Eye Primer 16 hours even at the bottom of my eyes. Next, I'm using the Revolution Matte Palette with the brown at the middle for the transition shade. I'm enhancing it with a darker brown using the Maybelline Contour Powder. I'm just softening the blending by using this Real Technique brush, further enhancing the outer corner with the darkest brown from Makeup Factory palette using a pencil brush. And simply soften again the edges. You can play with the strokes and with the brushes. The darkest shade from this Revolution palette, I'm further defining the outer corner of my eyes and simply blend it out again. For this tutorial, I'm using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade of Cheesecake. Okay, I messed up on this. So I tried to fix it with a shader brush and then tapping it off with a frosted eyeshadow. I'm just trying to clean out my underbrows using a matte light shade. For the waterlines, I'm using Maybelline Kohl Pencil Lasting Drama and simply spread it out with a brush. Matte liquid liner and a flat brush, I tried to fill in the gaps in between the lashes. There is no gap. And finally, I'm concealing my under eyes with Essence 16 Hours Concealer. This time, the Fiber Lash Mascara from Wet n Wild instead of the falsies. I've linked down below my review on this Wet n Wild mascara. And here's how it looked. You might want to use the Q-tip to clean out the waterlines before applying on the pencil liner. I'm simply further defining my lower eyes with the contour powder, and highlighting the inner corners simply adds more drama with your eye makeup. And lastly, don't forget to apply on the mascara with your lower lashes for more definition. Here's how it looked. I hope you like this simple, smoked, hooded eye makeup, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching!